See, once you know the structural engineering conceptually, once you know different softwares, then the size of the structure doesn't matter. You can do any type of projects, small to large. There are many engineers coming out of the college, but they don't get the jobs. And there are many companies who don't get the candidates. Now there is a gap.
So good evening to all and welcome to Learning Beyond. Today we are here to discuss on skills required for structural engineering career and how you can develop the experience, what skills are required to develop career in structural engineering. Okay, so I'm Anil Madik. I'm Chartered Engineer of India. I'm Director of STAAD company, which is Design and Construction company. I'm Director of Learning Beyond Training Institute. Then I'm structural consultant, structural auditor, and retrofitting consultant. Currently, I'm having more than 23 years of experience in structural engineering and civil engineering fields. Regarding my experience in structural engineering, I have done projects of design of high-rise buildings, design of industrial projects, design of cricket stadium and sports buildings, design build projects, value engineering in design, structural audit and retrofitting of old buildings, and design of sewage and water treatment plants. If you look at these sectors and structures, if you want to work in these areas, then our course will help you to develop the experience and knowledge required to do such kind of projects. I have also done the projects all over the world in India, America, New Zealand, Australia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, PG, and UK also. So you can apply the structural engineering knowledge in other countries also. Okay, so I will give you some examples of the projects which we have done, and you can also do such kind of projects if you do our training course. So different types, I just want to explain you. This is Dr. D.Y. Patil Cricket Stadium in Navi Mumbai. We were involved in the structural design of this project, which includes sitting arrangement, which is in RCC structures, RCC beam column slabs, piers, then tension fabric roof supported on the steel cantilever trusses. In this project, we have also done the design of clubhouse, which is arch shape RCC building, media center RCC building. Then we have done the design of badminton courts, squash courts, RCC buildings, then design of suspended fabric roof. That means tension fabric supported on the this spiral trusses, steel structures, suspended by the tension cables. Then in this project, we have also done the design of retaining walls, compound walls, design of swimming pools, water tanks, then mast foundations. Now, if you look at this project, it includes RCC structures, steel structures, and water retaining structures. And that's why our training course also includes all these three structures and materials. And that is the need in the market. We also do the design of industrial projects. This is one of the examples, Tata Marco Polo project, Dharwad Bus Manufacturing Company. We were involved in the structural design of this project. Industrial sheds, gantry girders, trusses, premix floors. Then we also do the design of high-rise buildings, residential, commercial in India and other countries also. We do the design of school buildings, college buildings, residential towers, bungalows, farmhouses. Then, yeah, in water sector, we do the design of sewage treatment plant, water treatment plants, and effluent treatment plants, where structural engineers design the different types of water tanks, underground tanks, overhead tanks, circular tanks, clarifiers, pumping stations, and so on. There are also civil engineers required. Structural engineers are required in this field. If you know how to design the new structures, you can do the structural audit and retrofitting of old buildings in industrial projects, residential and commercial projects. We also do such kind of projects in our company. Industrial projects, we do the design of machine foundations, design of industrial sheds, PEB sheds, gantry girders, design of chimneys, their foundations, design of retaining walls, generator foundations. We do different types of trusses also, which are required in industries. Analysis of structures, design of structures. Okay, so these are the different types of projects we do, and you can also do such kind of projects in your career. provided you have the right skills, knowledge, and experience required as per the industry requirements. Okay, so what skills are required, that we will see in detail, and our course will help you to bridge up the gap between educational and professional requirements. So in our digital structural engineering master course, you will learn the basic concepts, software skills, practical project application, and overall experience required as per industries. Okay, so in our course, digital master course, if you do that course, you can work in high-rise building sector, industrial sector, water sector. Why? Because there are many opportunities for civil engineers. Okay, so what skills are required as per industry requirements? We will see. One is personal skill, structural engineering core skills, management commercial skills, other discipline knowledge, software knowledge, practical project applications. We will see in detail. Personal skills, communication skills are important. How to talk with the people involved in the project, how to write the letters, emails, report preparation, calculation reports, tender documentations, then BOQs, using Excel, Word files. You also should know how to prepare the drawings in AutoCAD. That is also communication medium. Then whatever basics we learn in school and engineering college, the basics are important to take the decisions on the projects, whether it is physics, where we have learned forces, then Newton's laws and so many principles which are required in engineering. Geometry, where we have learned trigonometry, area, volume, and different shapes we have learned, because we are dealing with the civil engineering geometrical shapes projects. Okay. Second part is our major core part of the structural engineering, where we do our work. That is our, we can say, career. So if you do any type of project, there is a process of work from start to end. Let's say if you do the building project, then first part is study the architectural drawings, understand the architectural and client's requirement, decide the location of columns, beams, slabs, footings, decide loads, gravity, earthquake loads, one-way load, two-way loads. We can prepare the conceptual drawings. We call it as a GA drawings in the AutoCAD. Okay. To understand that, you should know strength, stiffness, and stability of the structures, and IS codes used for this. You will learn that in our course. Everything you learn in the course. And we can prepare such kind of conceptual plans, where you can see the column, beam, slabs, one-way slab, two-way slab, sunk loads, grid, ABCD 1, 2, 3, dimensions, and everything which is required for the analysis of the structure. Second part is analysis. You can do the analysis in softwares like ETABS or STAAD Pro, where we can apply the loads on the structure model, gravity load, earthquake loads. Then we can get the forces from the analysis, bending moment, shear forces, or earthquake forces, mode shapes, and so many things. Okay, these are required for design of the structures. Okay, so analysis. To understand the analysis, you should know the deflected shape of the structure for vertical load, lateral loads, bending shapes, tension side, compression side, then fixed support, pin support, their behavior with respect to this. You will learn that in the course for frames and multi-story buildings, so that you can understand the bending moment, shear forces, which are required for design of the members. Those who don't know the basic concepts regarding the bending moment, shear forces, they are also covered in the course in the concepts of structural engineering. Then we can design the members. For example, in RCC buildings, we design beam, column, slabs, and footings. In water tanks, we design water tank walls, raft, slab, column, footings. In steel structures, we design trusses, tension member, compression member, then beams, purlins, channels, I sections, bolted connection, welded connections, mezzanine floors, gantry girders, and so many things, steel structures. So for different structures, different IS codes are used. You will learn in the course. In the course, we are considering 3 methods of design. Design by manual calculations, design using Excel programs, and design using softwares like RCDC, STAAD Pro. These are the manual calculation examples to understand the concepts of design, to understand the detailing of reinforcement, IS code clauses, and everything. So there are many Excel programs and manual calculations covered in the course. Then design basis report, how to prepare the design basis report for any type of project which is required in the industry. That training is covered. Earthquake engineering part, along with the IS codes, it is also covered how to calculate the earthquake loads, what is equivalent static analysis, response spectrum analysis, mode shapes, and high-rise building parameters which are used for high-rise buildings projects. Structural drawings, definitely once you design the project, you can prepare the structural drawings in AutoCAD softwares. So that part is also covered in the course, along with the AutoCAD training and structural drawings, how to prepare these drawings, foundation drawing, floor drawings, detailing of the reinforcement as per IS codes, detailing of the staircases, simply supported beam, continuous beam, cantilever beams, many things. There are a lot of things which are covered in the course as per industry requirements, floor drawings. So major part of our career is till this point, whenever we work in any structural engineering company for any type of projects. After that, we can send the drawings to the site for construction, and contractors team will do the construction on site. Okay, now once we have the knowledge of new design of the structures, you can do the structural audit. So basic part regarding the structural audit is also covered in the course, with visual inspection, NDT test, core test, with some case studies that are covered in the course. And if you find any problems in the capacity of the members, you can do the repairs and retrofitting of the structure like this, like column jacketing, beam jacketing. BOQs are required for tender documentation. As a structural engineer, we can prepare the BOQ of RCC part with quantity of concrete, steel reinforcement, PCC, excavation, formwork. You can do that in Excel or RCDC software. That is also covered in the course. Then architecture drawing study, other discipline. These are important aspects. We want some inputs from different consultants for structural engineering analysis and design. So you should know how to read the architectural drawings, which we use for the structural planning and analysis. That is covered in the course. Then geotechnical report studies covered in the course, which is used for foundation design, where we can learn how to decide the strata levels, hard strata levels, how to get the safe bearing capacity, water table data, core log data from the geotechnical reports. Contour drawing study is also covered to understand the ground conditions and to see if there is any impact on the structural design due to the ground conditions. The softwares, we are covering ETABS software, which is used for the analysis of high-rise buildings, RCC buildings. We are covering this training with gravity load, earthquake load, with practical projects. So these are some ETABS models, ETABS results, bending moments, mode shapes for the dynamic analysis. Then safe software training is covered in the course, which is used for the foundation design, isolated footing, combined footing, raft foundations. These are the safe models. STAAD Pro software is also covered in the training course, which is used for the analysis and design of steel structures, analysis of water tanks and buildings. So this training is covered for industrial shades, ESR water tanks, rectangular shapes, circular shapes. RCDC software training is covered, which is used for design of beam, columns, slabs, and footing. It is also used for calculation reports. It can be used for drawing preparation, detailed drawings we can get from the RCDC software. We can transfer the ETABS results in RCDC and do the design and drawings. That is covered in the course. It can also give you BOQ for the RCC part. AutoCAD software training is also covered in the course, where you can understand how to prepare the drawings from the basics. You can prepare, once you know the AutoCAD, you can do any type of drawings which are required for the projects, architecture or structure, whatever. Then Excel programs are covered in the course. How to use the Excel programs for design of beam, columns, slabs, footings, steel structures, water tanks. See all these details in detail you can see in our website. I will give you the link at the end. Different Excel programs, column, beam, slab designs, how to use it for design, that is covered in the course. Adobe Professional software is used for the communication purpose to give the comments on the drawings, reports, photographs. And different practical projects are covered in the course. For example, in high-rise buildings, we are covering 5-story residential building, 20-story high-rise building, retaining walls, shear walls. Then industrial sector, we are covering industrial shades, analysis and design, gantry girders, trusses, canopies, mezzanine floors. Water sector, we are covering underground tanks, overhead tanks, ESR, clarifiers. Different practical projects, residential building, high-rise buildings, retaining walls, the industrial shades, using STAAD software, analysis design, wind loads, gravity loads, base plate design, gantry girders design, truss design, N-type truss, then portal beams, I section, channel sections, how to use it for design of the industrial projects, mezzanine floor design, analysis and design with deck floors, concrete decks, and decking sheets. These are used in industrial projects for storage purpose or office buildings. Entrance canopies, analysis and design, clarifiers used in sewage treatment plants, analysis design drawings, ESR, using STAAD software, rectangular tanks, underground tanks, circular tanks, and overhead tanks on the building. So these are the projects which are covered in the training course. And once you have the knowledge of the analysis, design, drawing, practical projects, softwares, you get a lot of experience, which is the requirement of the industry. And you can learn everything, whatever I discussed in our course, which is Digital Structural Engineering Master's course. Each and every part is covered in the recording formats along with the doubt sessions. Now let me summarize what we are covering in this course. Once again, Digital Structural Engineering Master's course. We cover 7 softwares: AutoCAD, ETABS, SAFE, RCDC, Excel, STAAD Pro, Adobe Professional. We are covering a lot of manual calculations to understand the concepts of analysis and design, so that you can use these softwares effectively and you can work as an experienced person in the industry. Then engineering, we are covering basics of structural engineering, reaction, bending moment, shear forces. Whatever you learn in the engineering college, we are covering. Then GA drawings, how to prepare that. Then the concepts of analysis, design drawings, structural audit and retrofitting, VOQ estimation, RCC part, architectural drawing study, geotechnical report study, contour drawing study, and 15 practical projects are covered in the course. See, such a huge knowledge, if you have on your CV, you can get jobs anywhere, all over the world. You can get jobs in MNCs, consultancy firms, building industries, industrial companies, or sewage treatment plant, effluent treatment plant related companies. Either you can go for jobs, or you can do the part-time work as a freelancer, outsourcing work. Or if you are interested in the business, you can start your business as a consultant or design build contractor. But you should have the knowledge, whatever I discussed with you. And you can apply that knowledge anywhere, in any industry. There are many companies who are hiring the structural engineers in India and all over the world. Who can join this course? Important aspects. Civil engineers can join this course. Student to freshers, job seekers can join. Postgraduate engineers, MEM Tech PhD can join. Site engineers can join. Structural engineers can join. Professors can join. MPC, UPC students can join. It's for all civil engineers of any age. Okay, so there are many students who have taken the training from us, and now they are doing well in the industry, in high-rise building sector, water sector, industrial sector, Many have started their business as a consultant. Many have joined the companies in India, Middle East, Australia, and other countries also. Okay, now regarding our course, please, important aspects. Digital Structural Engineering Master Course. It is also available on our website for detailed discussions. You can see start date immediate, as it is a digital course in the form of recordings. All sessions are recorded. You can see that and start the course immediately. Yeah, additional point, important aspect is along with the recording, there are mentoring sessions. Doubt sessions are weekly. Doubt sessions are there on any topic decided, where you can attend that, and the trainers are available live. So this is very important. Even though it is a recorded is for doing the training as per your pace. That is important. You can, as per your grasping power and speed and your time availability, you can see the videos and you can attend the live doubt sessions, where you can interact with the trainers for your doubts. And these doubt sessions are also available in the recording format once the doubt sessions are over. Okay, so you can see the previous doubt sessions also. Very important for all of you. For assignment related doubts, you can ask anytime. There is no time limit. And regarding the important aspect of this course, fees or investment for this course is 50,000. Actually, the course fees is 1 lakh, and there is a discount for the people who are attending this webinar. Early bird offer, 50,000 discount is there, 50,000 total course fees. There are additional benefits. Project support. If you are doing any project and if you get any doubt, we will guide you. Our trainers will guide you for your projects. Apart from this, we can say training course. Software training certificate we will give you once you do the training. 1 year experience certificate is also available after 1 year of course, provided you are in connection with us, you are asking the doubts to us. Okay, lifetime guidance for technical queries, software installation support, 100% placement assistance. Additional benefits, study materials, you will get recorded videos of all online sessions. Additional technical workshops are free lifetime if we get any training. Okay, all Excel design sheets, drawings, PPT, books, study notes you will get, manual calculation notes you will get, and project case study. You can find this in the classroom once you join the course. And what we are covering in detail, you can visit our website and see this material in detail. Okay, so thank you all. I request all of you, please take the admission and get the discount offer. Minimum rupees 5,000 you can pay and book the seats and get the discount offer. Please note the installment again, advance 25,000 till 25th of this month, and last installment after 1 month of the admission. Thank you once again to all of you. You can visit our website www.learningbeyond.net, and you can see in detail after this webinar if you get any doubts. Regarding payment, you can pay rupees 5,000 through this QR code or through these bank details to book the seats. Thank you once again to all of you for attending this webinar.